Ever wondered what makes Tokyo, the capital of the rising sun, so special? Well, let's embark on a journey starting sky-high at the Tokyo Skytree. With its commanding presence, the Skytree stands as the tallest structure in Japan, offering panoramic views that will surely take your breath away. It's more than just a modern marvel. It's a symbol of Tokyo's resilience and constant evolution. Imagine standing over 450 meters above the ground, gazing down upon the sprawling cityscape. It's here where the hustle and bustle of the city is transformed into a beautiful, serene tableau. It's like holding Tokyo in the palm of your hand, a moment that truly encapsulates the essence of this fascinating city. Now let's descend from the clouds and dive right into the heart of Tokyo's culinary scene at the Tsukiji Outer Market. This place is a treasure trove for seafood lovers, where you can sample everything from sashimi to sushi freshly prepared right before your eyes. The market's vibrant energy and enticing aromas create a sensory experience that's as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate. Next, we find ourselves in the midst of the famous Shibuya Crossing. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance of people, each going their own way yet moving in unison. The scramble is a testament to the city's organized chaos, offering a unique rhythm that's quintessentially Tokyo. We'll end this part of our journey on a peaceful note at the Meiji Shrine. Nestled in lush greenery, this tranquil Shinto shrine is a spiritual oasis amidst the city's urban sprawl. It's a place where tradition meets tranquility, offering a quiet retreat from the city's relentless pace. From the bustling streets to tranquil shrines, Tokyo is a city of contrasts. It's a city that effortlessly blends tradition and modernity, creating a unique tapestry that's both vibrant and serene. So, are you ready to discover what makes Tokyo, the capital of the rising sun, so special? Our journey has only just begun. In Tokyo, every meal is an adventure. Picture this. You're seated at a conveyor belt sushi restaurant, basking in the quintessential Japanese dining experience. The vibrant colors of fresh sashimi, expertly rolled sushi, and other delicacies whirl around you in an endless, tempting parade. Each plate you pick is a new discovery, a testament to the artistry and precision that Japanese chefs pour into their craft. From there, we transition to the soulful world of ramen. Every local ramen shop in Tokyo offers a unique take on this classic dish. Perhaps it's a rich pork-based tonkotsu broth, or maybe a lighter soy-based shoyu ramen. The noodles might be thick, thin, straight, or wavy. Each bowl is a symphony of flavors and textures, a testament to the culinary diversity that Tokyo brings to the humble noodle soup. But Tokyo's gastronomic adventure doesn't stop at restaurants. It thrives in the buzzing atmosphere of izakayas, or Japanese pubs. Here, over shared small plates and drinks, stories flow as freely as the sake. From sizzling yakitori skewers to velvety agadashi tofu, the izakaya experience is a celebration of Japanese pub culture, uniting food, drink, and camaraderie. The city's vibrant street food scene takes center stage in Harajuku. This trendy district is famed for its crepes, served up with an array of sweet and savory fillings. From fresh fruits to creamy custard, these crepes are a must-try treat for any food lover. And for those special occasions, Tokyo offers kaiseki cuisine. This traditional multi-course meal is the epitome of Japanese fine dining. Each dish is a work of art, meticulously prepared to highlight seasonal ingredients and presented with a flair that engages all the senses. Whether it's sushi or street food, Tokyo's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. This city, a hub of culinary innovation and tradition, invites you to take a bite, savor the moment, and embark on a gastronomic journey like no other. Tokyo's vibrant culture is a blend of the traditional and the modern. As we journey through Tokyo's cultural landscape, our first stop is Asakusa, home to Senso-ji, the city's oldest temple. Asakusa is where Tokyo's past and present intersect in an enchanting fusion. Senso-ji, with its majestic red gate and five-story pagoda, is a testament to Tokyo's rich historical heritage. This sacred site is a place of tranquility amid the city's bustling pace, offering a serene retreat for reflection and spiritual connection. From the tranquility of Senso-ji, we transition to the dynamic world of sumo wrestling. This traditional sport is deeply ingrained in Japan's cultural fabric, with rituals and customs dating back many centuries. The opportunity to attend a sumo match is a unique experience, where you can witness the sheer power and technique of these athletes firsthand. Alternatively, a visit to a sumo training stable provides an intimate glimpse into the rigorous discipline and dedication required in this ancient sport. Next, we venture into the whimsical world of Studio Ghibli at the Ghibli Museum. Here, imagination knows no bounds. This museum is a tribute to animation and creativity, showcasing the artistry behind some of the most beloved animated films in the world. It's a place where fantasy comes to life, and visitors are invited to step into the enchanting worlds created by Studio Ghibli. In contrast to the traditional and whimsical, we find ourselves in the heart of modern entertainment at the Robot Restaurant in Shinjuku. This is where technology meets performance in a dazzling display of neon lights, robots, and high-energy music. It's an immersive experience that encapsulates Tokyo's innovative spirit. Finally, we delve into the realm of the futuristic with a night at a capsule hotel. These compact sleeping pods offer a unique accommodation experience that embodies efficiency and innovation. It's a peek into what the future of urban living might look like. In Tokyo, tradition and innovation coexist harmoniously, creating a captivating cultural landscape. Navigating Tokyo can be a breeze with these insider tips. First up, let's talk about getting around the city. Tokyo's public transportation system is top-notch, and to make your travel even smoother, consider getting a Pasmo or Suica card. These are prepaid cards that you can use on buses, trains, and even to make small purchases at convenience stores or vending machines. It's the perfect accessory for the savvy traveler. Now let's move on to something a bit more cultural, the custom of removing shoes indoors. It's not just for homes but also for certain establishments like restaurants with tatami mat flooring or traditional inns known as ryokans. So when you see a lineup of shoes at the entrance, follow suit. It's a small act that shows respect and awareness for Japanese customs. In terms of communication, while many Japanese people understand basic English, they'll appreciate your efforts to speak their language. So why not learn a few basic Japanese phrases? A simple arigato for thank you or sumimasen for excuse me can go a long way. Here's another handy tip. While Japan is technologically advanced, cash is still king in many places. So always have some yen on hand. Whether you're buying a trinket at a local market or paying for your ramen at a small eatery, cash transactions are common. Lastly, let's talk about behavior. Japan is a society that values respect and consideration for others, so keeping your voice down in public places, not eating while walking, and standing on the left side of escalators to let others pass on the right are just a few ways to show mindfulness of cultural norms. With these tips in mind, you're ready to explore Tokyo like a local. Tokyo, the capital of the rising sun, is a city that never ceases to amaze. As we wrap up this virtual journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the distinctive blend of tradition and innovation that Tokyo offers. We started our exploration with a bird's-eye view from the Tokyo Skytree, the tallest structure in Japan. From there, we descended into the heart of the city, experiencing the hustle and bustle of the Tsukiji outer market and the famous pedestrian scramble at Shibuya Crossing. We found serenity amidst the city's buzz in the tranquil Meiji Shrine, and let our inner pop culture enthusiasts loose in Akihabara. Our taste buds were treated to a culinary roller coaster. From sushi whizzing around on conveyor belts to different varieties of mouth-watering ramen, from the comforting small plates and drinks in izakayas to the unique street snacks of Harajuku. We even indulged in a multi-course traditional Japanese meal, the kaiseki cuisine. Immersing ourselves in Tokyo's culture, we visited Asakusa, home to Tokyo's oldest temple, Senso-ji, and the vibrant Nakamize shopping street. We felt the thrill of sumo wrestling, explored the world of Studio Ghibli, and even experienced a unique blend of robots, neon, and entertainment at the Robot Restaurant. Even our accommodation was an adventure in the futuristic capsule hotels. Lastly, we shared some insider tips to help you navigate Tokyo like a local. Remembering the Pasmo or Suica card for convenience, keeping shoes off indoors, learning some basic Japanese phrases, and having cash on hand. Above all, respecting the cultural norms is the key to truly experiencing this city. And there you have it, Tokyo, a city where the old meets the new, where the traditional blends with the modern, and where every corner holds a surprise. We hope this journey has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to explore Tokyo, the capital of the rising sun. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cultural journeys. Until next time, sayonara.